Booklet B, question 27. The figure shows two semicircles. The large semicircle with a center O has a diameter of 40 cm. What is the area of the shaded part? Give your answer in terms of pi. Right, let's highlight the keywords. So there are two semicircles, and the large one has a diameter of 40 cm. So find the area of the shaded part. So the shaded part is referring to this that we are looking for. So this is the shaded part. And give your answer in terms of pi. Right, let's go back to the question. So in order for us to be able to find the area of this shaded part, we need to find the area of the big semicircle first. Right, so area of big semicircle, right, equals to half pi r squared. Why half? Because it's just a semicircle. Okay, in order to be able to find the answer, we need to find the radius. So are we given the radius? Looking back at the question, we are given the diameter. So this whole thing here is actually, this whole thing from here to here, right, it's actually 40 cm. Right, so that is the diameter of the big circle, which is 40 cm. So what is the radius? The radius will be 40 cm divided by 2. That gives you 20 cm. Okay, with that, let's try to fit in the numbers. So half times pi remains as pi. Radius will be 20 out of 1 times 20 out of 1. Let's try to simplify. Divide this 2 by 1, divide this 2 by 2. Divide this 2 by 2 gives you 1. Divide this 2 by 2 gives you 10. Okay, so the area of this big semicircle will be 200 pi. Okay, now let's try to find the area of the small semicircle. In order to be able to find the area of the small semicircle, we need to find the radius of the small semicircle. Okay, so you can see from here that since this is the center, so this will be 20 cm. So the diameter of the small semicircle is actually 20 cm. So the radius will be 20 cm divided by 2 gives you 10 cm. Right, so area of small semicircle, okay, formula will be again half, because it's only semi, half, right? Half a circle, so half pi r squared. So half times pi remains as pi times radius is actually 10. So 10 out of 1 times 10 out of 1. Simplify. Divide this 2 by 2 gives you 1. Divide this 10 by 2 gives you 5. So the area of the small semicircle is actually 50 pi. Right? So let's add them together. Okay, since you're looking for this shaded part, right? So we have to take the area of the big semicircle, which is 200 pi, minus the area of the small semicircle, which is 50 pi. That gives you 150 pi. So answer is 150 pi square centimeter.